Hey, welcome back again to my new video. Sampath, you're watching Sampath SamFX channel. This is the MIUI 12.5 Hellas version. Let me adjust the brightness here. This is the MIUI Hellas version. Let me show you into the settings. This for Redmi Note 5 Pro. As you can see, this is the MIUI 12.5.3, the Hellas version. All specs here you can see here. It's still Android 10 based only, but you get better experience in this ROM for this Redmi Note 5 Pro. And I already made several MIUI port ROMs on this channel. Do subscribe down below if you're first time to this channel, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like also. And this is how the settings you get in this ROM. Wi-Fi settings, both the 2.4 and 5 GHz are supported. Bluetooth pairing, I use several the speakers and even the headphones, no problem in that. And connection sharing, you get casting and portable hotspot and private DNS, those are working fine. And in the wallpaper and personalization, you get all this kind of wallpapers and ringtones, notification, alarms, and even change the fonts in this ROM. Icon shape also you can change here, and style and size also you can decrease or increase in this ROM. The wallpaper and personalization and always on display is also working fine here. As you can see, you can keep here apply those things. The always on display is also working fine. You can even choose the raise to wake and double tap wake to turn off the screen like this. Even turn on the screen. Those things are also working fine. And this is the live wallpaper you can get in the wallpaper. Some of the pre-built live wallpapers are also working in this ROM. Really good ROM considering the battery life also. Let me show you in the display settings. You can turn it on dark mode from here, and you can even schedule the dark mode, and more dark mode options you can get here. And color scheme also, you get plenty of color schemes. Only 3 auto saturated and standard, here it's missing, but anyhow it's good ROM. And these are the settings you get. In notification and control center, you get this control center, the newer version, and you can even get the layout and switch control center side and collapse after touch. Those options are also given. This 12.5.3 based one, little bit older ROM, but I haven't reviewed this ROM on my channel, hence I am reviewing this ROM. It's really good considering the battery life you get in this ROM, a little bit better. And vibrate and tap, you can choose these settings, and even you can adjust the sound settings. And home screen settings, you get here -1 screen, you can choose between whatever you require. Double tap to lock screen is also given. All the basic settings are working fine, no problem in this ROM. And let me show you this, the volume panel you get. From here you can change the settings and privacy protection. And battery life is really good in this ROM. The idle drain, as you see, it's just 1%. It's really good considering the and turn build on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. This really good ROM. And coming to like okay, let me check you. The camera to API is also supported in this ROM. You can use any Gcam build. By the way, you get this ANX camera, I mean the MIUI camera in this ROM. It's working fine. As you can see, it's working fine, no problem in this zip file using SafetyNet Flash, fix zip file. Those things are working fine if you make that. And this is the Geekbench scores you get in this ROM. It's good. Single score is 324 and the multi score is 1330. It's really good on this Hellas OS MIUI 12.5.3 version. And this is how the app driver you get. And this is the -1 screen app vault. It takes a little bit of time sometimes. This is the app vault you get in this ROM, and this is the home screen. all the basic features are working fine, and this is how the blur app previews work here. This is the recent apps. If you want to clear from here, it gets clear. This is how the ROM performing in this Redmi Note 5 Pro. As you can see, this is the Hellas OS version, MIUI by Xiaomi MIUI GR 12.5.3 stable version on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe down below button. And that's all guys in this video, and do comment down below which ROMs you need to see on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. Do comment down below. Feel free to comment down below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another new ROM on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. And you get on the native video call feature also, and gaming on this ROM is also really good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.